Have you ever seen a bird gliding gracefully through the sky and wonder how they do it? Birds are one of nature's marvels with their amazing ability to fly. Let's explore the wonders of bird flight. First, let's answer a curious question. Have you ever tried waving your arms like wings and wishing you could rise off the ground? Birds manage to do just that because of their special body design and some fantastic physics. One of the key components to a bird's ability to fly is its wings. Bird wings are shaped in a way that allows air to flow over and under them efficiently.
Hearts like rivers gently flow.
The shape of a bird's wing is known as an airfoil. The top of the wing is curved while the bottom is flatter. This special shape allows air to move faster over the top than underneath, creating lower pressure above the wing and higher pressure below, thereby lifting the bird up.
Moonlight on the sea, stars keep company.
By holding their wings outstretched, birds can catch air currents, saving energy while traveling long distances. Think of it like a surfer riding a wave. The air acts as the ocean, helping the bird to glide along smoothly. Aside from their wings and bones, birds have feathers that play a crucial role. Feathers help in steering, balancing, and controlling flight speed and direction. The tail feathers act like the rudder on a ship, helping the bird to steer and maneuver. Birds are not just masters of flapping movement, but also fierce competitors in windy challenges. When they face strong winds, birds angle their bodies to glide without much wing flapping. This technique allows them to conserve energy and stay in the air longer.
Leave the rush behind.
Next time you watch a bird in the sky, you'll know the amazing science behind their flight.
Peace of heart and mind.